Alright guys, Cliff here. Welcome back, and today we're gonna talk about the Redmi Airdots 2. My work usually takes me to a lot of places. Thus, I travel a lot. And so when I do, I take my headset along with me all the time. I love my Blue V2 because of its superior quality. But it's big and bulky and very cumbersome to carry around. And it's also very flashy, and I think a very good magnet for crooks roaming along the streets. That's why I have my Xiaomi Piston Fresh earplugs instead. A very low profile alternative with decent quality. But then, another problem. It's wired. And I only love wired headsets when I use them for gaming. I looked around the internet and found this. A very cheap TWS earplugs from Xiaomi. Let's check it out. Let's do this. It's time to test the microphone quality of the Redmi Airdots 2. It's in. The BM800 condenser is still functioning, so I'll be switching it right now. Switching it to headset Redmi Airdots 2 hands-free AG audio.
Test mic. Oh god, it's test mic 1 2 1 2. Test mic 1 2 1 2. That's freaking awful.
Okay, so I'm switching it back to my default condenser. So you can see the difference of the quality. The This one is I think only good for calls. Actually, the voice quality is very clear on calls, but when you are using it for broadcast, the quality is crappy. Okay, we'll be testing the audio by playing some rhythms and find out if the buttons or button configuration only works with a phone or if it also works with Windows. Let's try single button for pause. Okay, it works. Another button, single press for play. I think that's it. Let's fall off. For the pros, this is one of the most affordable TWS earplugs with a reliable name. Because it's made by Xiaomi, the design is premium, giving attention to detail. The ergonomic design is quite comfortable, and the exchangeable tips makes it easier to fit all ear sizes. The plug design makes it hard to accidentally fall off your ear, unlike those Apple earbuds. In my opinion, I'm happy they gave it physical buttons instead of touch-sensitive controls. I often hear a lot of people accidentally activating a touch function while doing workouts. It could be dangerous. I don't want any accidents. Battery can last a good few hours. But if you run out of juice, you can always put it back to the battery-powered case, which also serves as a charging station. As for the sound quality, it's mostly similar to the Xiaomi Piston Fresh headsets. There's definitely some other beefier alternatives out there, but they won't come with this price. These guys are rated IPX4, water resistant. Gym time and workouts will no longer be a bore. But IPX4 means splash resistant and not waterproof. Just don't use it while in the pool. The call quality is clear and Bluetooth disconnection rate is very seldom to non-existent. Bluetooth will automatically disconnect whenever the earplugs are inside the case and will also automatically connect to the last connected device when taken out, and it's flawless. This is actually a fix for the Redmi Airdots 1, which still connects to the last device even when it is inside the case. Okay, now for the cons. The microphone is crap! And it is in mono. And I don't recommend this for streaming or broadcast. Only for calls. No volume controls and no skip or previous controls when playing music. That's crap also. And the 2 is supposedly an upgrade for the Airdots 1. Which has a game mode. It gives lesser latency while playing games. I guess Xiaomi realized people don't use this kind of headset for gaming, so they took the feature out, making production less costly for Xiaomi. And my final verdict is, I love this. and I recommend this only for traveling or doing workouts. If you're into gaming, I recommend you get a proper gaming headset like this one. And that would be my take on the Redmi Airdots 2. Thank you very much for watching. You can comment your comments in the comments below. You can ask questions, share and like to show your support, subscribe and hit the bell for future videos like this one. That's it for now. See you on the next one. Chabas!